Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, Cosmetic Surgeon, New Delhi, and I'm practicing cosmetic surgery for more than 30 years now. Previously, I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. Today's topic is if I require repeat rhinoplasty, when should I get it done? Because these are some questions people ask. They have got rhinoplasty done somewhere and then they are not happy, or there is some complication, or they are not comfortable with the result. They say ki if something else can be done. So then the question definitely which they ask me, doctor, when can I come to you for a revision or secondary rhinoplasty? So as the name suggests, revision or secondary rhinoplasty means the rhinoplasty or the nose surgery, cosmetic nose surgery has been already done once, and then patient wants some improvement or some more refinement or correction of any infection, or you can say some adverse results, or they want it to get revised. Now, as with any other surgery, same is true about rhinoplasty also, the nose surgery, that yes, the result may not always be 100%, and patient may ask or may desire a revision of their surgery to have further improvement. Ideally, we should wait for a longer time for rhinoplasty. If you talk to me about, say, nostril flare, nasal flare, or about the dorsum well, we can do it even earlier, say around after 6 months time. Nostril, maybe I might go if patient is insisting even after 3 months. But the tip takes longest time to settle down, because immediately after tip surgery there is some swelling on the nasal tip, and that swelling starts disappearing after 3 months onward, and final result may come after 1 year. So if I have to operate on a patient who wants revision surgery on his tip or on her tip, I will ask her to wait at least for 1 year for that, because by that time the swelling would have been gone, the tissues will settle down, there will be subcicatrical plane, anatomy to me will be better visible, because then there is no edema, other things of adhesions, everything settles down, the tissues settle down, the injury to the tissues, the body settles down, and then I will go for a revision surgery on tip after 1 year, not before that, because then there are some other complications also which can occur. Yes, on the dorsum or on the this thing I might go earlier also. Maybe though I always prefer any surgery wait for 1 year, but if patient insists, yes, on dorsum of the nose I might go earlier, nostril flare I may go even do after 3 months time. So this is one thing you must understand, that if you get rhinoplasty done and if you have to undergo surgery, further surgery, secondary rhinoplasty or revision surgery, so give yourself at least 1 year's time. Now, I get patient many times that, sir, my daughter is getting married after 1 month or 2 months and we need to correct her nose. Well, we can do that. But I tell them that if it is tip, it will take a longer time to heal, and the final result on the nasal tip will come after 1 year time. So you have to be ready for that. Otherwise you don't get operated. So if you are planning to go for surgery, any surgery, start early. Maybe after 18 years, 19 years of age, you go for correction surgery of the nose, and because then if there is some problem, some refinement needed, then at least you have time to go for second sitting revision surgery. Because as I told you, there is nothing called 100% result. People might need a very limited number of patients may need revision surgery. So start early with the nose job. Once you are 18, 19 years of age and you feel that you have to go for nose surgery, go earlier. Now, who should do it? Now I suggest that whosoever is the primary surgeon in your city who has done cosmetic surgery, you go back to them, because they are qualified cosmetic surgeons. They have done their degree in plastic surgery, they have got training in cosmetic surgery, so they are the best people, because they know that what they have done in your nose, what are the changes they have made, whatever implant or the cartilage, whether they have taken, say, from the rib or ear, anywhere, or septum. So they know what procedure they have done. So they are the best people to go for it. And financially also, I think it's good for you, because if the same doctor is doing revision surgery, he will definitely charge you less also. And because you are not happy with the result doesn't mean that the surgeon is not good, because it can happen. It can happen with any other surgery. It can happen with any other doctor also. So go back to your primary doctor, because he is trained plastic surgeon basically, because I presume that you people being educated must have gone to a qualified plastic surgeon and not to some general surgeon or a dentist who claim to be cosmetic surgeons and they go for rhinoplasty with them. No, don't do that. So I presume that if you have gone to a qualified plastic surgeon, he or she, the doctor, is trained to treat the revision part also, the complication of the surgery also. And if there is some unsatisfactory result, I'm sure your surgeon is competent enough to do that. So do not run around here and there. Go back to your primary surgeon, ask for his help, and I'm sure they will be able to deliver the goods. So I think I made it very clear that if you need a revision surgery or secondary rhinoplasty, where should you go and when you should go. And now if still you have got any queries or any doubts, so you are most welcome to consult our team, and we'll be very happy to answer your queries any time of the day. And it will be a matter of pleasure and honor for us to help you in this regard. If you are happy with the information I have given you, so please don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.